A new awareness campaign to educate the public about digital banking scams is set to be rolled out next week. The Association of Banks here in Singapore is driving this effort after a recent spate of phishing scams. Banks were earlier given 2 weeks to beef up their digi-banking systems. Chua Tian Tian tells us more.
This platform could soon contain all you need to know so that you don't lose your hard-earned money to scammers.
What we want to do is to systematically be able to explain in simple language and with as much infographics as possible. Most of it will probably carry through My Money Sense. My Money Sense, which is an ongoing series of education of consumers, and we will be on the website. We had a list of what customers should and should not do. When we receive such a advice purportedly by a bank, stay calm first, and then look out for the hyperlinks, look out for any signs that may appear to be suspicious.
ABS says consumers should be vigilant whenever they're contacted by banks. Such messaging, which will also be featured on mainstream media, will complement efforts by authorities to get banks to bolster security. These include removing all clickable links in emails or SMSs and providing a delay of at least 12 hours before activating a new soft token on a mobile device.
Most of the systems are already in place. So nevertheless, we just wanted to be complete. And so all these enhancements are really comprehensive. For some of the banks, the system change can be quite major. And therefore, MAS understandably is not going to punish the banks, but MAS is understanding and able to accept that for some of the banks, they may not be able to fully comply with all the measures.
Observers welcome the more stringent measures, saying they urgently plug the gap so that more consumers don't fall prey to scammers. But regulators and banks need to take a longer-term view too.
We have to look at the entire framework for SMS and emails, including how headers are being set, and these are things that will require a multi-pronged approach to lay out some of the new standards in place, which will not only involve local agencies, it might even involve international aggregators and local aggregators, of course.
Industry watchers are urging financial sector to constantly update security, particularly for vulnerable or less informed consumers who may not be digitally savvy.